All right. Well, today is the day I traded MBRX. I actually traded it twice today. I'm going to show you my actual trades on it. So at first I bought at 931, 500 shares at the price of 271. All right. I'm going to show you the reason why I bought at 271 at 931. We'll go to the minute chart here. 930, 931. Okay, so what happened was pre-market. This looked good. This also had good news too. Um, you guys can see this gapped up. Good news. It actually I wanted to initially buy this pre-market at the break of this 245. I wanted to buy like right here, which at the time of the pre-market I was 245. I wanted to buy at 246. I've never bought in pre-market. I never traded pre-market before, so I kind of just stayed away. I was like, I'll just watch this at the open. So this was on my watch list, and what happened was it kept going up. It kept going up. Holding its levels, did good. Has really good news. Something like about a breakthrough cancer research or something like that. And what happened here was it dropped it dropped down at the open, like first couple 30 seconds. Then it started gaining momentum back into trying to break these highs. And what I liked about it was it just broke this previous minute right here. And on the 5 minute, you guys can see as soon as it breaks this red candle, the high of the red candle before, it actually goes up another 20 cents. So in the 1 minute, I just waited till this minute, and then I wanted to get in anticipating the break of this previous candle right here, which was about 274, 275. Got in at 271, saw good buying coming, and actually it didn't do much, and it swung back down to about 257, and I'd sold actually at 262. I wanted to keep my loss. I kind of wanted to just cut my losses today. I didn't want to get emotional because I was trying to bounce back from yesterday's big loss. So I was like, oh man, all right, whatever. This didn't work out. Cool. So now I only have I had about $1,500 buying power at the time. After that trade, I had about 2,500 to start the day, and I used about 1,000 there, or something like that in that range, or I might have like $1,100. But anyways, so then this thing, it fell, as you guys can see, it fell. But then on this very next minute, okay, I was like, "Wait, hold on a second, maybe I just got in a little too early. I just had to level out real quick, and that's ended up what happening. I could only buy 400 shares. I didn't have enough money for 500 shares, enough settled funds for 500 shares. So I bought 400 shares at $2.74. When I bought it at $2.74, what time was that? 9:32. Yep, 9:32. Yeah, the very next minute, and then boom, it bust up to 293, and I wanted to sell 291. Yeah, I wanted to get out at 291, but I was actually a little too slow, and I didn't fail. So then it pulled back a little bit just for a second to about 290s or low 290s, and then it actually shot up to 288 or no 298, and that's where I sold all 400 of my shares, and I was out. Thing is, I only made about what, $41, I think. Yeah, $41 because first of all, I'm lost about $45 on that first trade, and then I also had commissions, 5, 10, 15, $20 in commissions. They ate it up a little bit. I mean, percentage wise, if you're only making $50, if you're going for $50 a day, and the commissions are $5 in and then $5 out, it gets you to so that's all right. But thing is, this actually started. It ran up a little bit after that, but I'm glad I sold at the time because as you guys can see, this high right here is the high of when I sold was like right there. Holy crap! And so I pretty much sold at the high I did at the time, and then it pulled back. You guys can see it pulled back on this 5 minute, really steep pullback. And then I actually try to break through right here. If I had more capital and had that just more confidence, more capital, and if I was trading more often, I probably would have bought right here again at the break of the VWAP, and also the break of this previous low, because you guys can see it dropped down, but then it held support and then it started buying back up, and then boom, a quick scalp right here. The low of this candle is, it's almost a 20-cent scalp just right there. So, and then it just got a little consolidation right there. And then finally it broke the high of day, which is at $3. And that's another spot where I like to buy into, the full dollar or the half dollar, $3, $2.50. That's like a mental resistance area for people, or support. So once you break that, you see a good scalp going. And then boom, from $3 to $3.34, there's another trade right there. And then it just falls down, and now it's holding its levels. It's just consolidating. So nothing too special today. Like I said, I was actually down in the morning, like right away, about $45, $50, probably after commissions. I ended up making $40. So what I bought at 74, sold at 98. So about 24 cents. So I made $120 on that trade before commission. So $110, and then I lost, that 90. So I lost $45 from there, and another $10, so $55, and that's why I'm only up $40. Well, I'm up $60 on the name before commissions and all that crap. So commissions, you do have to count for those because they can eat into your profits. But that's about it for right now. If you guys could actually subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching this on Facebook right now, I'd greatly appreciate it. Yesterday, heartbreaking Valentine's Day, but it's all good. Actually, what's good about this week is we're actually 3 days green, okay, and 1 day red, which is a huge red day. $180, almost $182. My biggest loss of the year, as you guys can see. It is what it is. Like I said, I'm not going to go for a home run to try to get that money back, the $180 back. What I'm going to do is actually just keep going for base hits in this market, and go from there until the market's hot again. And then that's when I'll start, investing more money, or not investing, but trading with more money at one time, holding for longer moves. So today, we can call this, I actually lost money. Some money on the first trade. So I think on this trade I was just a little too early. I was a little, oh god, I hate this. I was a little too early. Break. So I got in at bull flag setup. A minute later, I trusted my strategy and made good profit. So the second trade was actually stress-free. Dude, I don't, why does it do this? The second trade was actually stress-free on this one. The first trade was annoying. Oh, Bitcoin just broke 10K. That's interesting. Everything else is going to be up. All right, yeah. So MBRX, this one had good news. Look at, announces breakthrough discovery of new molecule for cancer treatment. So when people see that, they look at the news, and what happened that 5 hours ago? So about 8 o'clock, and you guys can see 8:30. People are starting to buy. More people read it, buy, and and then now it's just people took all their profits they all day traded it, and now some people are just holding it for the longer, maybe a week or two, see what it does with that news, and that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. I also wanted to give a quick shout out to the families and victims of the shooting in Florida. My buddy that I used to play competitive Call of Duty with, video games with, He actually went to that high school and one of his friends died. So uh, it's a real sad moment in America right now because it seems like we can't seem to fix this problem. I mean, it's a huge problem. So hopefully we can lower these shootings. There's already been 18 this year. It's only February, so just wanted to shout out to my buddy, and hopefully he gets out of this mess, this traumatic mess. But thank you guys for watching. Like I said, just base hits now. No more home runs until we start seeing that the long bias traders hop in, get the confidence back. And now I'm gonna eat some lunch. It's already 2 o'clock. Just got done at the pool, and eat some lunch and then relax for the day. Get my mind right for tomorrow. Like I said, every day is a new day. Like yesterday, I lost $180 because lost $180 today. Chip away at it. You got to chip away. I made $40. Made $60 Tuesday, $40 Monday. Just got to chip away when the market's like this, when it's favoring the short bias traders, and that's perfectly fine. It's just a cycle. I say this every day. It's a cycle. So when the cycle's on the short bias side, you got to take a step back, scale back, limit your risk. And yesterday, the only reason I lost $185 because my fill at $15 or 15 cents a share when I was down 15 cents a share didn't fill, and then a little emotion came kicking in. I just so it kind of got ugly from there. But for the most part, 3 days green trading this week, so that's good. Hopefully, we can end tomorrow or end the week with another green day, even if it's $50. $40. It's perfectly fine with me. We're just slowly grinding away until the long bias traders start favoring the market again. So here's my YouTube channel, 117 subscribers. Our next giveaway will be at 200 subscribers. I'm not really sure what to give away. If you guys have any suggestions, just let me know. Thank you guys for watching. We'll be back tomorrow morning with our pre-market analysis for you guys in the group chat watching, or not group chat, but the group, Facebook group watching. We'll be back tomorrow morning with our pre-market analysis. Go join us there. We've been finding really good stocks. I've been picking really good ones lately. This past week, been picking good winners. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.